From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm student meteorologist Frank Gargione with your Wednesday afternoon forecast as we take a look at our weather headlines this week. Chilly mornings is the main theme here. Lows in the mid-40s. If you walked outside this morning, you did probably have to have a sweatshirt, and it was a little bit chilly. However, it is not fall yet. We do have a warm-up to end the week. We'll get to that in the 7-day forecast, but we are going to still remain dry with drought conditions persisting. As we take a look at Beaver Stadium, the unfortunate scene of an unfortunate loss this past weekend at the Whiteout game. My condolences if you had to witness that. However, it is 59 degrees and sunny, feels like 59. Dew point very comfortable at 39 degrees. Visibility is clear at 10 miles with an east-northeast wind at 5 miles per hour. Let's take a look at our temperatures across the state of Pennsylvania, primarily in the upper 50s and low 60s for a lot of the region here across Pennsylvania, except for the southeastern parts of the state. 67 in Philadelphia, 66 in Harrisburg. And I mentioned those dew points, very comfortable for this time of year. 39 here in State College as we head towards the northern tier of the state here, also remaining pretty low and comfortable. A little bit of moisture down here in the very, very southwestern parts of the state here, but nothing that's going to, walk outside and you're going to feel sticky, humid, oppressive humidity. Not the case here for dew points as we transition over to our satellite and radar. Staying very dry. I mentioned that high pressure suppressing the clouds, suppressing the precipitation. Not a cloud in sight on the radar, not a raindrop in sight on the radar as well. Very, very nice day to get outside and enjoy the nice conditions. As we take a look at our future weather, we'll time this out for you. Remaining dry and free of clouds until we head towards the later hours tonight. Around 8:15 p.m. here, Erie starts to see a little bit of clouds, and those will work its way east as we progress. Wednesday night and really into Thursday, wee hours of the morning here, clouds starting to make their way into State College, and this will continue as we wake up here on Thursday. Clouds progressing their way east, a little bit of sun and cloud break up here as we head towards midday, and then as we head towards tonight here in State College, expect the kind of same breakage in the clouds here at Williamsport, Harrisburg, Philadelphia as well. The main cloud coverage will be towards its west, which will also make its way east as we head Thursday into Friday. Friday morning, Friday night, those clouds start to really build in here in State College, but then as we wake up here, head into your 9 a.m. classes, clouds start to make their way out as we look at our future weather. Friday into Saturday, like I said, remaining dry. We're not expecting anything much across the state here. Saturday at 4:35, Penn State is in California playing against UCLA. So if you take a look down here towards Los Angeles, also expected to be pretty well. Hopefully this week they actually win the game this time. But these nice, clear conditions are expected to continue as we head into Sunday, throughout Sunday, and into Sunday night. Today here in State College, 71 degrees and sunny, a little bit of a northeast wind at 8 miles per hour. We're expected to remain pretty clear as we head into tonight. 42 degrees, mostly clear, northeast wind at 5 miles per hour. And tomorrow is when the clouds start to really build in. Temperatures are around 69 degrees, partly cloudy, southeast wind at 7 miles per hour. Now, I mentioned how we are expecting a warm end to the week. If you take a look at our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, you can see those warmer than normal temperatures pretty much across the whole state of Pennsylvania, primarily towards the Midwest, Minneapolis, Ohio, Nebraska, majority of the above average temperatures, but we'll still get some more above average temperatures here across the state of Pennsylvania as we look at our 7-day forecast, remaining around average today, tomorrow, and into Friday. But if we take a look towards Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, temperatures approaching 80, low 80s for the beginning of October. Not ideal for me personally. I like the chill, but we're going to have to wait a little bit more for those cooler temperatures. I'm Frank Gargione. Have a wonderful rest of your day.